Neurorobotics Studio is a unique platform where mind meets machine. Users are able to develop simple and complex behaviour building blocks for robots. One could even assemble behaviours for a robot to perform challenging tasks, such as navigation and dexterity. Neurorobotics Studio offers extensive integration with diverse physical platforms, physics simulators, and games, enabling you to experiment with sensory integration, motor control, and planning. The platform offers built-in tutorials, demos, and documentation to help you along the way. Neuraville's intention is to simplify and accelerate the development of safe, useful, and cost-effective service robots that can extend us a helping hand when we are in need, making our daily lives more convenient. Visit www.neurorobotics.studio to try this revolutionary platform for free.